Daksh, are you ready, my dear?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yes.
so Dua, you're the anchor, right?
Yeah, ma'am.
All right, start. And turn your video cameras on, everybody.
Okay, let me start.
Yes.
So, good evening, respected guests, speakers, and participants. Welcome to today's webinar hosted by Daksh Vinod. I'm Dua Joan Ashad, your guide for a journey of discovery. As we gather here for this webinar, I'm thrilled to see a visual audience filled with the brightest minds from around the world, including the discreet heads of our class. Together, we embark on the quest for knowledge and inspiration. Now, let's begin our journey with words of warmth and wisdom. Please join me in welcoming Rizna, who will grace us with the opening address.
Good evening, everyone. I am here to welcome you all for the special webinar occasion. I am very happy to see that you all have joined for the special webinar conducted by Daksh on the topic Sumatran Rhinos. Thank you.
Thank you, Rizna, for setting the stage beautifully. As we transition to the hearts of our discussion, it's my honor to introduce our esteemed speaker, Daksh. His insights on Sumatran Rhino are sure to illuminate our minds and ignite our passions. So the
Good evening.
floor.
Good evening. Today I will be presenting my webinar on Sumatran Rhinos. Ma'am, can you allow me to share?
Yes.
Ma'am, I'm not able to share.
Yeah, 1 second, my dear. Okay. Do you have it now?
Yeah. Sumatran Rhinos. About Sumatran Rhinos. You might know about Sumatran rhinos. They are known for being endangered and being the only rhino with fur. Sumatran rhinos are going extinct because of habitat destruction and poaching for the horn. Fun fact, Sumatran rhinos are one of the smallest rhinos in the world. What do you know about Sumatran rhinos? The Sumatran rhino is one of the rarest and most endangered rhinos in the world. Their fur is known to be shaggy. Their native is the dense tropical forest of Sumatra, and they have 2 horns. Our mission. Mission 1. Support conservation organization. Many organizations protect Sumatran rhinos, and you can lend them a hand. Mission 2. Raise awareness. Tell your friends and family to help Sumatran rhinos in any way. Our vision. Your vision might be seeing Sumatran rhinos living or thriving in their habitat with increasing population. It could include habitats that are well protected, allowing rhinos to roam and breathe freely. Your vision could also be the community working to help Sumatran rhinos. And your vision could also be Sumatran rhinos could go extinct and the community's efforts are in vain. Let's create a portfolio. Creating a portfolio for our conservation efforts to help Sumatran rhinos could include project overview. We can provide a detailed overview for our conservation project, including its objectives, target areas, and the significance of protecting Sumatran rhinos. Achievements. We can highlight the achievements and milestones reached so far in our conservation efforts, such as successful breeding programs, habitat restoration projects, or community initiatives. Partnership. We showcase the partnerships and collaborations we have formed with other organizations, governments, local communities, and stakeholders to support our conservation work. Impact. We can demonstrate the impact of our efforts on Sumatran rhino populations and their habitats, including population trends, habitat restoration, and community involvement. Volunteer and donor engagement. We can highlight the involvement of volunteers and donors in our project, showcasing the contributions and the importance of their sub-education and outreach. Describe the educational programs and outreach activities we have implemented to raise awareness about Sumatran rhinos and conservation issues. Challenges and solutions. We can discuss the challenges faced during our conservation efforts and the strategies we have developed to overcome them. Future plans. We can outline our future plans and goals for continued conservation efforts, including expansion of habitat, protection, research initiatives, and community development projects. Financials. We can provide transparency about the financial aspects of our project, including budget allocation, funding sources, and expenditure breakdown. Testimonials and success stories. We can share the testimonials from stakeholders, volunteers, or beneficiaries, as well as success stories that illustrate the positive impact of our conservation work. By compiling this information, we effectively communicate the importance and effectiveness of our conservation efforts to potential supporters, donors, and partners. So, to sum up, Sumatran rhinos are going extinct because of poaching and habitat loss. So, we need to preserve the rhino's habitat. A brief sentence about what we've learned. The Sumatran rhinoceros is a species of rhinoceros native to the Indonesian island of Sumatra and historically found in their parts of Southeast Asia. It is one of the smallest rhinoceros species, characterized by its hairy appearance and two horns. The Sumatran rhino is critically endangered due to the habitat loss and poaching for its horn, which is highly valued in traditional Asian medicine. Conservation efforts include habitat protection, anti-poaching measures, captive breeding programs, and community engagement initiatives. Let us work towards conserving Sumatran rhinos so that when we grow up, we can still see them in the forests. Thank you. Finish.
So, anyone having some questions or doubts, they could ask.
Does anyone have questions for Daksh?
Can I ask a question?
Yes, definitely.
The question is that if like the rhinos ex- like became extinct, what is the what is gonna happen to the world?
What?
If the rhinos become extinct, what is gonna happen to the world? Like what is the impact? Like,
She's asking what are the effects going to be if rhinos, the Sumatran rhinos, do go extinct.
yeah.
What? I too much lag. Too much lag. I didn't hear.
She is saying what will happen to the world if the Sumatran rhinos, if they go extinct, what will happen to the world?
Um, maybe some food chains will go down a bit because Sumatran rhinos are also like all types of rhinos can also be so that
Uh,
will go down.
well, I have a question. Excuse me. Yeah, my
Actually, uh, what is
okay. My question is, what are Sumatran rhinos hunted for? Like, if they're going in danger, that means we are technically killing them. So, what are we killing them for? Um,
Daksh?
Hello? I
I
think he
think he's on.
disconnected.
Yeah, I think he's just having some network issues. We just wait for it. Yeah, he's here.
Yeah, Docs, can you hear me? Yeah, so my
yeah
question is, what are we
yeah
hunting? What are we hunting Sumatran rhinos for? Like, because they are because they're being endangered, that means we are killing them for something. So, what are we killing them for?
their horns. It's to make
And
traditional Asian medicine.
okay, thank you. Good, good job.
Any more
Yeah.
questions? Okay. Daksh, do you have questions for them? Hmm. Okay, Dua, you can continue.
Okay, the webinar you have taken was truly enlightening, Dash. Your words have stirred our souls. So before we conclude this enriching section, let us extend our gratitude to those who have made this gathering possible. I now invite Nilufer to deliver words of appreciation and reflection.
Hello everyone. Thank you for all being a part of today's webinar. A big thanks to our speaker for sharing his insights. Thanks to the organizers for making it happen. Thank you.
Thank you, Nilufer. As we bid farewell to this ritual assembly, I extend my deepest gratitude to each one of you for your active participants and unwavering enthusiasm. Let's carry the lights of knowledge and inspiration forward, illuminating the paths we tread. Until we meet again, stay curious, stay inspired, and keep reaching for the stars. Thank you.
Thank you, everybody. That was really nice. Thank you, guys.